Mommy said. Oh.
Ja. Parker. If you drink, you have to pay. Hey.
You old fox, stop here and get some lemonade.
I'm gonna post this in Facebook. Lemonade $1. Stop it there.
No one's gonna buy lemonade with your pink eye. He's got a...
Taking a video, people probably think it's just taking a picture.
Hindi nahihiyang magtinda ang aking mga apo. Halos lahat na benta na siya. Almost sold out the bike, the skateboard. Oh, it's like some clothes only left. But it's almost sold out. And my grandkids, they have a lot of lemonade. So I was the one who's making the lemonade for them. Pero nakarami na sila.